All right, so you're in escrow and you just did your home inspection. The home inspector noted a few things that need to get addressed prior to you guys moving in. So I wanted to give you a couple of tips as to what I would do when preparing my request for repair. Number one, be specific and be accurate. Meaning, if you want repairs on a new roof or you want credit for a new electrical panel, you as the buyer need to make sure you have specific quotes from licensed contractors who do that kind of thing. If you can show the seller exactly how much something costs from a licensed professional, your success rate in getting that done is going to be much higher. Number two, get rid of all the cosmetic fixes, all the minor stuff that the home inspector is always going to find. Look, you're not buying a brand new home, and there's always going to be a few minor issues. Focus on the big ones, skip the minor ones. Another thing to realize is that a home that was built in the 70s is not going to be built to the same codes as homes that were built in, let's say, 2020. So you want to make sure that you're not asking the seller to bring the home up to 2020's standards if the home was built in 1972. And the biggest piece of advice I can give you, always ask for credit in lieu of repairs. You as the buyer want to make sure that the work being done on your future home is done by people that you trust. Having the seller do the work instead of giving you the credit for it, typically the seller's going to do it as cheaply as possible, as easily as possible. So I would always go the route of getting the credit now, doing the repairs after you close escrow and move in. Thanks, guys.